Here we go. We're here today in Red Lion, Pennsylvania at Family Heirloom Weavers, which is the home of Tuscarora Mills as well. What you see before you right here are basically the workhorses of the American denim industry. These are Draper looms. We have the 72-inch, 54-inch, and a 34-inch. These looms are basically what produce the iconic Wrangler and Levi's denims, which is what we work hard to weave 100% hemp denim. What makes the Draper looms so special when it comes to making denim is that they really have a compactness. They're able to create a denser weave, which translates into a different type of fabric. So, you know, modern looms still produce denim. We all go to the store and buy denim today. But if you're old enough, you'll realize the denim you buy today is a lot different than the denim that you wore as a kid. And part of that's the loom, part of that's the yarn, part of that's the fiber that is comprised in that. But the looms have a big impact on that. A weaving loom is basically designed to take pieces of yarn and turn it into a lattice work that comprises a fabric. And all these individual yarns that you see here have all been wound onto the beam, and then systematically what they do is they're fed through these drop wires and then being woven with a fill yarn that comes across on the other side. These are your warp yarns that are moving forward. This is what's called your shed. This is a fill yarn, or called a pick. And what happens is this shuttle is a carrier, and what happens is the shuttle slides through like this, comes across, boxes there, and the loom will push that end in, and then the loom will open back up, and this yarn will go across the other side, and the process is repeated. Another thing that makes these looms so special is the selvage edge. Selvage is a shortened term for self-edging. And what the selvage does is the fill yarns wrap around the edge of the fabric, back and forth, versus going to the end and being cut off. This is the loom that we make all of our hemp selvage denim right now. This piece of fabric will essentially get cut in half, and this will be the right leg, and this will be the left leg. And that's what the width of this loom at 34 inches is sort of like the ideal width to produce those selvage denim jeans. What we've been doing for the last 3 years here is working with these machines and working with different types of yarns to really ascertain how we could create the finest hemp or flax fabric for denim purposes. And I think anybody that gets to wear these jeans that we're starting to produce here are going to realize that not only they're different, but they're different for a lot of different reasons, and that we'll let you determine what those are yourself. But I think people are going to be really impressed.